What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be showing you how to add Arbitrum 1 in the Metamask. For that the process is very simple and easy. All you have to do is to make sure that you follow each and every steps that I tell you in brief. So let's get right into the video. The first thing is you have to open up your Metamask wallet, which can be opened up through the Google Chrome extension. So go to the three dot on the top right corner and make sure that you open the whole wallet in the expand form so you can understand everything more clearly. So once you're in the MetaMask wallet, all you have to do is to go to the import token option, and in the import token just write Arbitrum. So once you are in the Arbitrum, just select it and go to the next option. So once you're in the next option, just go and import it. So once you do it, you will see that the Arbitrum now is available in your MetaMask wallet. So that's simple. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.